What if you woke up tomorrow and Earth's atmosphere had completely vanished? No air, no protection. Just a silent, exposed planet drifting in space. Earth's atmosphere is our invisible shield. It gives us oxygen, controls temperature, and blocks deadly radiation. Without it, Earth would turn hostile instantly. Within seconds, everyone would suffocate. Without oxygen, survival would last just minutes. Air pressure would vanish, making water in our bodies boil away. Plants and animals would die almost immediately. Oceans would begin to evaporate under direct sunlight, eventually leaving Earth dry and barren. The protective ozone layer would be gone too. Radiation from the sun would scorch the surface, while temperatures swing wildly between day and night. Even sound itself would disappear because there's no air to carry it. Earth would fall into complete silence. But it gets worse. Without the atmosphere, meteors that normally burn up would slam directly into Earth, causing constant impacts. And without atmospheric drag, satellites would tumble out of orbit, crashing back to Earth. The sky would no longer be blue. Instead, it would be black even during the day, with stars visible against the blazing sun. Imagine stepping outside, and in one breath, you collapse. Imagine the ocean slowly boiling away and Earth turning into a dry, lifeless rock. So our atmosphere may be invisible, but without it, life would vanish in seconds. But here's another question. What if gravity on Earth suddenly doubled overnight?